Hello everyone, in this session we'll discuss directional derivative. Before we calculate directional derivative, let us discuss some formulae which are useful in calculating directional derivative. Here are the formulae. First formula is directional derivative in the direction of vector is del pi dot a cap, where a cap is a unit normal vector which is to be calculated by using a bar by mod a bar. Second formula, maximum directional derivative is mod del pi. Okay. Third one, if n1 bar is del pi is normal at p of x1 y1 z1 and n2 is equal to del pi is normal at q of x2 y2 z2, then angle theta between two normals is given by cos theta is equal to n1 dot n2, dot product of two normals divided by mod n1 bar into mod n2 bar. These are the formulae which we use to calculate directional derivative. Okay, here are some problems. We are going to solve these problems in this session. First one, find the directional derivative of pi of x comma y comma z is equal to x square yz plus 4xz square at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1 in the direction of the vector 2i minus j minus 2k. Second one, find the angle between the normals to the surface xy is equal to z square at 1, 4, 2 and minus 3, 3. Third problem, in what direction from the point 1, 1 minus 1 is the directional derivative of pi is equal to x square minus 2y square plus 4z square a maximum. Also find the maximum directional derivative. These are the problems which we are going to solve in this session. Okay, let me solve the first problem, that is find the directional derivative of pi of xyz is equal to x square yz plus 4xz square at the point 1 minus 2 minus 1 in the direction of the vector 2i minus j minus 2k. Okay, solve. Let us, what is given? You are going to find the directional derivative of pi in the direction of 2i minus j minus 2k. So to calculate this, we have to apply the first formula, that is del pi dot a cap. Okay, del pi you need to find out first. Next you need to find out the unit normal vector in the direction of 2i minus j minus 2k. Then find out the dot product of those two will give you the answer. Okay, consider what is given. Given pi of x comma y comma z is equal to x square yz plus 4x z square. Next find out gradient of pi, that is I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Now find out dou pi by dou x. Dou pi by dou x, this is pi, differentiate partially with respect to x, you get 2xyz plus 4z square. In the first term you have x square differentiation is 2x, you get 2xyz plus x differentiation 1, 4z square you get. Dou pi by dou y is x squared z. Dou pi by dou z is x square y plus 8xz. Okay, now del pi is equal to I into dou pi by dou x, here 2xyz plus 4z square plus j into x square z plus k into x square y plus xz, 8xz. Now you need to find out the del pi at the point. Del pi at point 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1 is I bar 2 into, substitute x is 1, y is minus 2, z is minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1 square, z is minus 1 plus j into x square, 1 square into minus 1 plus k into x square, x is 1 square, y is minus 2 plus 8 into 1 into minus 1. This is equal to minus of minus plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 plus of minus 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 j plus k minus 2 minus 8. This is equal to 8i minus j minus 10k. This is the del pi at 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, now find out if a cap is unit vector in the direction of what is given. It is 2i minus j minus 2k. Therefore, then a cap is equal to 2i minus j minus 2k divided by mod the root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 plus 4. This is equal to 2i minus j minus 2k by 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Root 9 is 3. Therefore, unit normal vector is a cap is 2i minus j minus 2k by 3. Now, therefore, we need to find out the directional derivative. No, directional derivative in the direction of a cap is equal to del pi dot a cap. So this is equal to del pi at 1 minus 2 minus 1 is 8i minus j minus 10k dot 2i 2 by 3 I bar j by 3 minus 2 by 3 k. Now find out the dot product of these two. I dot I becomes 1. 8 into 2 by 3 is 16 by 3 minus of minus plus 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 minus of minus plus 10 into 2 by 3 is 20 by 3. This is equal to 20 plus 16, 36 plus 1, 37 by 3. Therefore, directional derivative in the direction of a cap is 37 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. This is about first problem. Next, find the angle between the normals to the surface xy is equal to z square at 1, 4, 2 and minus 3, minus 3, 3. Okay, we are solving second problem now. You are going to find the angle between two normals. First, what is the given surface? That is pi is equal to xy minus z square. Xy minus z square. Now del pi we have to calculate. Del pi is equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Now dou pi by dou x is y, dou pi by dou y is x, dou pi by dou z is minus 2z. Therefore, del pi is equal to I dou pi by dou x is y plus j dou pi by dou y is x plus k dou pi by dou z is minus 2z. So this is del pi. So you are calculating angle between two normals. First you need to find out the first normal. Okay, to get that we need to calculate del pi value at 1 comma 4 comma 2. This is del pi. You need to find out del pi at 0.142 is equal to 4y plus j minus 2 into 2k. This is equal to 4i plus j minus 4k. If you say this is n1 bar, first normal. Now to get the second normal, we need to find out del pi at minus 3 minus 3 3. We calculated del pi value, no? Here you have to substitute x value as a minus 3, y is minus 3, z is 3. So yi minus 3i plus xj minus 3j minus 2 into 3 into k. This is equal to minus 3i minus 3j minus 6k. This is second normal n2. So we got two normals, n1 bar and n2 bar. Therefore angle theta between the two normals is cos theta is equal to n1 bar dot n2 bar by mod n1 bar dot mod n2 bar. This is equal to n1 bar is 4i plus j minus 4k bar. This is n1 bar. This is n2 bar dot minus 3i minus 3j minus 6k divided by under root 4 square is 16 plus j coefficient is 1. 1 square is 1 plus 16 into under root of 3 square minus 3 square is 9 plus 9 plus 36. This is equal to dot product of these two minus 12 minus 3 minus of minus plus 6 4s are 24 divided by root 32 plus 133 into root 18 plus 36 54. This is equal to minus 12 minus 3 is minus 15 plus 24 by root 33 into root 54. So 24 minus 15 9 divided by root 33 root 54 is the angle between two normals. Okay, that is cos theta. Therefore cos theta is equal to 9 by root 33 root 54. From this theta is equal to cos inverse of 9 by root 33 into root 54. This is the angle between two normals. Okay, now let me find out the third problem. What is third problem? In what direction from the point 1 1 minus 1 is the directional derivative of pi is equal to x square minus 2y square plus 4z square a maximum. In what direction? The directional derivative of pi is a maximum. We need to find out maximum directional derivative also. Maximum value we have to find out. Okay, to solve this problem we must use the second formula to find out the maximum value of a directional derivative is mod del pi. That formula you have to apply here. Formula number 2. Yes, what is given? Given pi is equal to x square minus 2y square plus 4z square. Okay, to find out what direction the directional derivative as a maximum value, we need to find out the del pi value. Del pi is I bar dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k bar dou pi by dou z. This is equal to dou pi by dou x is 2x, dou pi by dou y is minus 4y, dou pi by dou z is 8z. Okay, we got, see, this is pi. If I differentiate partially with respect to x, x square differentiation is 2x. In other two terms there is no x term, therefore we get 0. Dou pi by dou y minus 4y. Okay, dou pi by dou z is 8. Therefore del pi is equal to I bar 2x plus j bar minus 4y plus k bar 8z. Therefore del pi is 2xi minus 4yj plus 8zk. Okay, this is the del pi. So del pi at 1 1 minus 1, at 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, what is the del pi value? So 2 into 1 into I bar minus 4 into 1 is j plus 8 into minus 1 into k. This is equal to 2i minus 4j minus 8k. So in what direction? In a direction of 2i minus 4j minus 8k, the directional derivative will have a maximum value. So what is that maximum value? Del pi at 1 1 minus 1 is this. So the maximum value of directional derivative is mod del pi. This is equal to under root of 2 square is 4 plus 16 plus 8 square is 64. This is equal to 20 plus 84, root 84, which is equal to 2 root 21. 2 root 21. Therefore, the maximum value of directional derivative is mod del pi, that is equal to 2 root 21. Okay, this is about third solution, that is in what direction from the point 1 1 minus 1 is the directional derivative of f x square minus 2y square plus 4z square a maximum, and we got the maximum value, that is 2 root 21. Okay, that's it. This is about today's session. Thank you.